Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am going to take the time to show you a sweet ring right now. Let's get into it. Inside this box right here, we have what we like to call the Franklin. This is one of our made-to-order rings that ships to you as quickly and as efficiently as possible. When you open it up inside, you'll be greeted with this Manly Bands card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside, there's some compliments, some customer service information, and some instructions on how to post and tag us in social media because everybody needs a reminder now and again. Inside, there we have it, the Franklin. Beautiful. This is titanium with a 3mm inlay of African Paduke wood and some opaque black Cerakote stripes. Putting it on my finger for the first time, that titanium is crazy light. It's got a flat design, and that African Paduke wood gives it that nice little orange burst in there. Super great. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do we get the names for our rings? Is the ring named after a famous Franklin? Yeah. Inside the box, we also have our black silicone band, of course named after Franklin Q. Silicone, who's, we've rode that name out as far as we can, but that band is included with your purchase. Inside, we also have some special promotional offers of people we like to partner with that bring you some great deals because that's what we like to do for you. So, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com and checking out the Franklin.